Hello friends, have a good day. I am explaining for new brokers humble request of some clients, some friends, other countries, and USA countries. Always, please, sir, explain in a real broker on the market some conditions and otherwise. I am explaining this broker $100 no deposit bonus to available this time. To $100 no dollar $100 no deposit bonus to keep winning with the Zes Forex in a New Year award. You can now experience trading in real account before investing, taking advantage of $100 no deposit bonus. Only this who open a new account on Zes Forex can benefit from this campaign. Your free $100 bonus will be credited to your accounts. On your request, after all requirements documents have been complete, your real account has been opened. The maximum amount you can withdraw through this bonus campaign is $100. $100 maximum withdrawal on your account. In order to withdraw profits, you need to invest $100. I think you deposit $100, completing 10 lots, and $100 no deposit bonus to completing your 10 standard lots, and withdrawal $100 to complete investment. Your deposit $100, and all your capital $200 to withdrawal. Only traders who work directly with your Zes Forex without any and with benefits this campaign cannot be combined and other campaigns and others not restriction 0.01 0.02 and all trades your full margin trades is available. Thanks for watching.